Multiply 1088 by 11 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. The first partial product is 1088. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. The second partial product is 10,880. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 8 plus 8 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 9. In the thousands column, 1 plus 0 is 1. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 11,968. So 1088 times 11 is 11,968.